Hey guys, I've been having a lot of problem getting my cabbage and leafy greens basically, chop soy, bok choy, and other stuff like that to sprout correctly. So I got myself a seed starter kit and with grow lights on Amazon. This thing right here, and I'm gonna unbox it and show you what's inside. So let's go. So I'm gonna pull it out. Okay, we have, okay, something dropped. Okay, the little diggers. This is probably the airflow controller. Goes on here, I presume. Yep, there you go. And you can control the airflow. Okay, so we've got another one. Goes right there. You got the grow lights. Two sets of grow lights. Two sets of two grow lights. You got the plug, a little digger, and a planter, hole maker, a whole bunch of labels so you can label your stuff. Two sets of gloves, a black one and a white one. The white one is a little bit thicker, and this one has more a grippy feel on it. More labels here. And your sprouting trays. Oh, nice. Two starting trays. So let's do it like that. So you get two starting trays. Just like that. And let's plug on one of these. So let's grab the top here. Put the airflow controller on them. That is pretty simple. Pretty simple. Grow lights. They clip on, really nice. There you go. There you have it. Really nice. Once I connect it to the electricity inside, I'll turn it on and we'll have a look. But yeah, this is a really nice kit, and hopefully I'm going to get better results with my leafy greens now. Okay, thanks for watching, guys. Be right back. So I hooked up the system, and we've got the switch here, the controller, so you can start them both up, or just one or the other, or turn it off. And this is everything, and there's also a dimming function right there, so you can make it brighter, as bright as you want. This is maximum brightness, minimum brightness, and keep going up. And there is also a timing function where you can set how long you want the lights to be on for. So it's a really nice, cool system. I'll have a link in the description below. I got this from Amazon, and it seems to be a really nice piece of work. Nice one. Okay, guys, that was it for today. So here's the timing function. I forgot to show you that a minute ago. So there you go. Red. When it's all red like that, is, let me take a quick look. I think that's like 4 hours. Yep. red and blue, that is 6 hours, and red and blue, 12 hours. So red is 4, blue is 6, and red and blue, I don't know if you can see that right. Red and blue together is 12-hour lighting, and then it'll turn off. Yep, that's it. Once again, thanks for watching the video. If you like the video, hit the like button below. And if you want to see more of these videos, hit the subscribe button. And once again, thank you for watching. Cheers, guys.